Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the ink cartridges on an HP Officejet J4680 all-in-one printer. We're going to go ahead and turn the unit on, and while it's powering up we're just going to go over here and on the side just pull this front door down and you'll see the printer cartridges come across. And we're just going to wait because they're actually going to go back over once, just to make sure you don't get your fingers caught. Okay, so here we have the color and the black. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to push down and pull out. And HP 901 is what you're looking for. And I'm just going to show you just with the same cartridge, putting it back in. Put it in at a slight angle until it clicks. And same thing with the color. Push down and it comes out. And then when you get your new one, just put it back in. Click it. Close up the door, and just going to realign it, and once it's all done that, you're good to go and start printing again. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.